All right, here we go. Shape number 3, solid number 3, I should say. And solid number 3 is a pyramid. So we're going to find the surface area of a pyramid. Now, a pyramid will come in many shapes and sizes. We're only going to be dealing with rectangular, or in this case, a square pyramid. And so one thing that we could do with this square pyramid is we could say, hey, it's a square pyramid, so the base is a square. I'm going to draw a little square down here. And then all of the sides lean in and come to one central point. So if you look at the sides of a pyramid, they're all triangular shape. So we could draw a triangle here. We could draw a triangle here. We could draw a triangle here. Whoops, something happened there. And then another one here. Okay, so what we can see here is that if we take this pyramid and we basically take the sides and lay them down flat, we have a square and 4 triangles that we need to find the area of. And if we look over at the formula is kind of cool because, well, B represents the square. It's the area of the base. And let's do another fun color here, orange. This P times L divided by 2 represents the area of the 4 triangles. And well, you might say, well, how does it equal 4? Well, it's going to equal 4 because of the P. We're going to take the perimeter of the base, so we're going to take those, the 12 and the 12, and remember there's 12s on all 4 sides, so if we add 12 together 4 times, and then multiply it by the height, and then divide it by 2, we're going to find the area of 4 triangles. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. What else do I need to talk about? Oh, you know what? There's one other thing I should probably talk about. This triangle, you might be looking at that triangle measurement and thinking, here I am sitting here thinking, what color should I pick? Let's do this. So if you look back at that formula, it says P times L divided by 2, and you're thinking, triangles, aren't triangles base times height divided by 2? Yes, they are. The P represents the base of the triangle because it's the perimeter of the shape, and there's 4 triangles. The L is what represents the height. And now the L is kind of a weird thing. It's this 8 meters right here, and you can see it's represented by this right angle symbol and then this line that goes from the edge of the base all the way to the top. That L, let me see if I can do this. Oh, look at this. I can do the same color. That L is called the slant height. And it's a very descriptive term, obviously. It's the height, but it's not a height that's perfectly straight up and down. It's slanting. If you think about a pyramid, the edges of a pyramid are slanted, so it's the slant height. All right, so quite a bit of information there, but we can make sense of it. So let's whoops, not that. I want this. And then I want to go back to, I'll go to blue. So first things first, let's find the perimeter, which should be pretty straightforward. The perimeter of the base, there's 4 12s, so it's just 4 times 12, or 48 meters. And remember, it's, yuck, that's really not good looking. Remember, it's, well, why is it not working? There we go, that's better. It's just M, not M squared, because it's a length. So then we want to find the area of the base. So let's do this. Let's make it green. So the area of the base is a square. So a square, we just multiply the side length by itself, right? So we just take 12 and we square it. 12 squared for a square. That's why it's called a square. So we have 144. Oh, let's fix that. I wonder if it's my hand that's causing this problem. Down at the bottom of the screen. Let's try again. Nope. Let's try again. There we go. 144. In this case, it's area, so it's meters squared. Okay, so surface area. So now we have P, we have B. L is over here in pink on the shape itself. So we can now find the surface area, ooh, let's do red again, of our pyramid. So we have SA equals, boy, my writing skills, equals P times L divided by 2. So that's going to be 48 times 8 divided by 2. So I'm going to write that down. 48 times 8 divided by 2. And then I'm going to add the area of the base to it. So I'm going to add 144. Somebody's coming down the stairs if you haven't heard. So 48 times 8 divided by 2. Well, I can simplify that a little bit. So we have 48 times 8 is 384. Divided by 2 is 192. So we have 192 plus 144. Let's fix that 4. Gosh, my 4s are, maybe it's just 4s. I don't know. Okay. And then, so this total surface area is going to be 192 plus 144, or I think that's 336. And that's going to be meters squared. Okay, so the surface area of a pyramid is 336 meters squared.